Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS. Today we are going to see about an interesting short topic from today's current affair, that is maternal mortality rate decreased in India. Okay, it is a greater achievement. Let's see in detail. We are going to see about IMR and MMR earlier. That is, IMR is infant mortality rate. That is the number of deaths per thousand live births of children under 1 year of age. That is, the rate for a given region is the number of children dying under 1 year of age, which is divided by the number of live births during the year multiplied by 1000. That is the number of deaths of children. Okay, so they will calculate this IMR for any region. How they will calculate this? They will calculate the number of children dying under 1 year of age in that area, okay, or in that region, and they will divide it by the number of live births during that year, and they will multiply it by 1000. Okay, and there are many reasons for this infant mortality rate, because it may be due to birth defect or preterm birth or low birth weight, maternal pregnancy complications, or due to some injuries during the childbirth due to suffocation, and sudden infant death syndrome. There are various reasons for it. And when you see what is this MMR is the maternal mortality rate. So what is this maternal mortality ratio? It is a maternal death of a woman in India during the pregnancy or after pregnancy, including the post abortion and post birth periods. Okay, and different countries and cultures have different rates and causes for maternal death. But when we see what is the reason in India, is there is a marked variation in the healthcare access between the regions, and also because of socio-economic factors, because it varies from region to region, and India is a very diverse nation. Okay, so and accordingly there is also variation in the maternal deaths of the various states, regions, and demographies of the women also. And the pregnancy which involves a vulnerability that put women at risk of dying, and India is one of the countries who record a high amount of pregnancy related deaths of women every year. So the maternal mortality rate now it have reduced. Okay, that is the topic now. IMR, that is infant mortality rate, in 1951 is 186.737, and MMR is in 2000 is in the year 2000. Okay, in 2000 is 370. Okay, this was earlier. Now after this, okay, from 1951 IMR and 2000 MMR, there is a great achievement in that. Let's see. So we are seeing what is the IMR and MMR today at present today. Okay, the IMR in today is 29.848. Okay, it's totally very less. Okay, and MMR have reduced to 113. Okay, so that is, we are developing a healthy health. There is a development in the health sector and the health of the child and the mother also. Okay. So what is this maternal mortality ratio is? There is a annual number of female deaths per 100,000 live births for any cause related to or aggravated by pregnancy or its management, excluding accidental and incidental deaths. And that is, it is defined as the number of maternal deaths. Nothing but it is number of maternal deaths per 1,000 live births. Okay, maternal mortality ratio is much higher in developing countries when compared to the developed nations, because it may be due to the lack of adequate medical care and high prevalence of infectious diseases and higher total fertility rate, and due to healthcare system differences. Okay, so there was target of SD, that is sustainable development goal. SDG is a sustainable development goal. Okay, actually MMR is the key indicator of the maternal mortality. Okay, and the target of 3.1 sustainable development goals by United Nations, it aims to reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 1 lakh live births. Okay, that was the target set by UN of about the 3.1 sustainable development goal, that is to reduce the global mortality rate. Okay, This picture and this graph will show you that healthy trend. That is, the maternal mortality ratio between 2016 and 18 is dropped in India almost 100 deaths lesser than 2007 and 2019 period. Okay, so when you see in the year 2007 to 9, okay, it is 212. Okay, then it got reduced, and now for 2018, okay, it is 113. MMR is defined as the number of maternal deaths during given period per 1 lakh births, live births. Okay. The Office of Registrar General's Sample Registration System, SRS, have released the special bulletin on maternal mortality in India for 2016 to 18. Okay, so it has been declined to a greater extent. So when you see in 2014 to 16, it is 130. So when you see 15 to 17, it is 122. Now 16 to 18, it is 113 now. So it has declined to 113. The maternal mortality of various states, I have represented it in a graph for you to easily identify and understand. Okay, when you see Assam, okay, in Assam it is 215, Bihar 149, Madhya Pradesh 173, okay, and Chhattisgarh is 159, Odisha it is 150, Rajasthan it is 164, and Uttar Pradesh it is 197, and Uttarakhand it was 99. Okay, so these are the various MMR rates of the various states in the north in India. Okay, they have mentioned it, and when you compare it to the southern states, the southern states have registered a lower mortality rate. When you compare the southern states, the mortality rate is very low. Okay, it registered a lower MMR. Andhra Pradesh it is 65, Telangana 63, Karnataka 43, and Tamil Nadu is 60, which shows the lower mortality rate. So this is a great achievement for India in the health sector, and we are going towards achieving the sustainable goals. That's all. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel to get info about the daily current affairs. Thank you. Keep watching, like this video, and share it to your friends.